What's up, everybody? You feel this beat right here? Here we go. Hey! We about to stamp this out. So if you feel me, come on, come on.
I jumped in my car with my bag of stamps, my punches and my apron on. Driving to a house where my girlfriends wait to see my new catalog.
Yeah, you know I love it.
Here I am and it's time for me to shine. Grab my bag and I'm nervous like the first time. It all seems so crazy. I was looking for a way to make it.
Hey.
Now we're chilling out, having such a good time. So we're here for the very first time. Making and taking, being creative, blowing everybody's mind.
I said what? Come on.
Blowing everybody's mind.
We coming at you, here we go, come on, say it.
We share what we love what we do. Come on, sing it with me. It doesn't get much better. Stepping up together. We share what we love what we do. Our life is good.
It's so good.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. We're sharing it with the world.
Everybody say it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. We're sharing it with the world.
Sharing it with the world.
Sometimes I have to pinch myself that I can do this every day. Helping someone express themselves in a new and exciting way. Downloading with my digital studio, embossing or doing the rock and roll. So many ways to take it when you're using your imagination.
Yeah, come on.
Having fun with our exclusive product lines, showing my flair with award-winning designs, sharing my passion for art and fashion. I am a rising star.
Yeah.
I am a rising star.
It's your rising star, you're coming far, going far, come on.
Share what we love what we do. Come on, sing it with me.
Yeah, you gotta love it.
Doesn't get much better. Be a demonstrator. We share what we love what we do. Our life is
So good, so good.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. We're sharing it with the world.
Everybody say it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. We're sharing it with the world.
Sharing it with the world.
Heart and soul, I'm giving it all. Freedom to live, freedom to grow, unlimited. That's how I roll, Miss Independent, hanging with my girls at Dimension.
This is for the demonstrators, rubber stamping educators, hosting party innovators, never being imitators, always rocking it right and never wrong, always keeping it tight and coming strong. It don't matter where you at in the world, it's still the same thing, bringing you the same game, stamping with the same name, German, French, Spanish, English, say A, share it with the world, you know we stamping every day.
Share what we love what we do. Come on, sing it with me.
Yeah.